So yeah, look at the ruts from the drifts out here. People are trying to drive through them, but if you have a small vehicle, you're not going to make it out here. I have a four-wheel drive Jeep, and it's difficult. It's absolutely difficult out here to ride or to drive. This is the curve on. I was going 5 miles an hour there. That's it. That's all I can do. These are 2-3 foot drifts. We're in a little bit less of a wind environment. We've been getting 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts here in northeastern Colorado. This is the blizzard, ongoing blizzard here in the town of Brush, Colorado. You can see we just parked the vehicle, but you can see everything is completely socked in. All the roads are closed, schools are closed, and those are the drifts down the street. Okay, Blizzard 2022, northeastern Colorado. This is just arriving at my house. These are 18-inch drifts, maybe a little bit higher. You can see it's drifted at my house here. There's the neighbor's house. This is just insane.